far away. It's gonna rain soon.
Oh, I have to go fast before I get drenched in rain.
Run to home, brother. It's going to rain soon. Do I look like a fool? The sky is bright and clear. It was my duty to inform you. Bye. Oh no. He was right.
Dhammapala is a good teacher who tells the auspicious things to people.
Yes, sister. His knowledge is impressive.
Oh sweeties, whom are you discussing about?
สวัสดีคุณพ่อ
สวัสดีคุณพ่อ
Oh father, the boy Dhammapala Kumar is one who protects the righteousness.
What's so great about him?
At a such young age he knows 3 Vedas.
Impressive. I would like to meet him.
Father, you could learn something valuable from him.
Oh? Is he really wiser than me? Let me test Thamabel's intelligence. So was the crab Thamabel?
สวัสดีกะปิและพรหมา
Thamabel.
I have heard about your cleverness.
Oh really?
But you are too young to talk lofty ideas.
I don't think so กะปิและพรหมา
Overconfident Thamabel. Let me test your intelligence. How much knowledge you have in your puny brain.
Okay, what's the riddle?
Wait. If you don't answer, or answer it wrong,
You will lose your head.
What if I answer it right? Will it chop your head off?
that is fair.
The failure will have to lose his head.
I accept the challenge.
Then listen carefully. Where is the Sri, the glory of men, located in the morning? Where is the Sri, the glory of men, located during the day? And where is the Sri, the glory of men, located in the evening?
Shri, the glory of man. Your riddle is difficult. Give me some time to find the answer.
You have 7 days to resolve it, else be ready to die.
How can I solve the riddle? Yes, I will definitely get the answers from the Vedas. Not in this book also. I have to
Try harder.
6 days passed away, and still I haven't found the answer. Tomorrow, I am definitely going to lose my head.
Honey, where are you going for the hunt tomorrow?
Tomorrow we having feast on the dead body of Thamable Kumar.
How can you say that? He is still alive.
Are they talking about me?
He would be killed because he have no answer to the Kapila Brahma's riddle.
It's true, I can't find out.
Oh, is the riddle so tough?
No, honey, it's very simple.
Correct. So true.
ขอบคุณ สวัสดีกปิและพรหมา
I have solved your riddle.
Oh, really? Great then. Tell me, but do you remember the condition?
Yes, definitely. The answer is in the morning, the Sri appears on the face. So, people wash their faces every morning. At noon, the Sri is at the chest, where people spray perfume every noon. In the evening, the Sri goes to the feet, so people wash their feet every evening.
Oh yes, the answer is right. You are really wise. My dear daughters, I lost the challenge with Thamable. As per that, I must cut my head off.
No, father, no. Please don't leave us.
Daughter, don't cry and listen carefully. I have to honor my word. However, my head is very powerful. It will not terminate. If my head fell on earth, it would create an inferno that would engulf the world. If my head was thrown into the air, the rains would stop.
Then, Father, can we place your head in the sea?
No, dear.
If my head was dropped into the ocean, all seawater would dry up.
What shall we do, Father, to prevent these calamities?
Daughters, to prevent these calamities, you will have to place my head on an elevated font and stored it in the cave of Mount Kailash.
And Songkran festival begins from here, marking the celebration of the Thai New Year.
สุขสันต์วันสงกรานต์สวัสดีปีใหม่สมัครสมาชิกช่องของเราชินูมีนูหากคุณสนุกกับวิดีโอกดปุ่มชอบแบ่งปันวิดีโอกับเพื่อนและครอบครัวทุงชาเทวีโกราคาเทวีรักษาเทวีมารดาเทวีกิรินีเทวีกิมิดาเทวีมโหธรเทวีขอบคุณสำหรับการดู